Hello everyone, this is the reading for Virgos. This is a situationship reading. That means either it is related to career or relationship. Okay. If you wish to enroll for the session one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to have a reading with me, different kinds of reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yes guys, let's check it out. This is the reading for the month of May 2021. Okay, situationship reading for Virgos. Okay, so yeah, sorry guys, wait, let me do this properly. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, you're having a certain sort of dream, Virgos. Okay, related to someone. Okay, you're having weird dreams, different dreams. Okay, you are going through some major spiritual awakening, understanding and realizing a lot of facts and things about people around you. Okay, you're having certain dreams. You feel that there's a lack of understanding into a situation. No, someone doesn't understand you as much as you do. Okay, you feel that a lot of delays are happening, situations are not working out into your own favor, and a lot of delays are happening. Okay, so yeah, lot of healing. Your heart chakra is healing. Okay, your heart chakra is healing. Okay, I'm telling you that your heart chakra is healing. You feel that there is a lack of trust into a situation, Virgos. Two people, either emotionally, spiritually, or physically at a distance, thinking about each other, waiting for each other, loving each other, caring for each other, but not expressing each other much. Okay, yes, you are suppressing your feelings a lot. A lot of you are suppressing your feelings, Virgos. Okay, you're suppressing your feelings. You don't share your feelings to anyone much. Okay, you're going through a lot of sharing and a caring thing. Okay, yes, you are no more going to lose the moral values and the morality. Okay, so yeah, you're no more thinking to lose your moral values because of someone else. You are going through a lot of sharing and caring thing. Okay, so yeah, you are just in a defending mode right now. You're being very rebellious, defending yourself in certain situations, either into career or relationship, but into very defending mode. Okay, that's the thing. So yeah, beautiful. Okay, loud. Let's see. Kindly like, share and subscribe guys. Okay, you are going to take action related to something in the month of May. You will be very unstuck. You are gaining a lot of clarity. What are you supposed to do and what are you not supposed to do? You are having a lot of sleepless nights, tensions, depressed energy at night. You are anxiety issues. Okay, you want an happily ever after with someone. Okay, so yeah, you feel that someone is not reaching out to you and you are waiting for someone to reach out to you, or you want to reach out to someone but that's not happening right now. Okay, that energy is being blocked. Yes, something is about to shatter your life in the month of May guys. Be careful, it might be either positive shaking or else negative shaking. Okay, so just be careful when it comes to something is about to shake up your life. Okay, that is what I'm telling you. Yes, you want to take a risk related to something or someone which is not happening. The energy has been blocked right now. Okay, the new beginning or taking a risk has been blocked right now by the universe. Okay, you feel disappointed into a certain situation because, and you are having a lot of fights, problems, issues, anxiety issues into your life because a lot of disputes and problems and fights are happening around you. Okay, or into your head space, like there is a fight going on between head and heart or else around you. Okay, yes, A lot of issues are going on into your love life, okay, like relationship, two people are at a distance, or fights, problems, issues are going on into your life, and that is great. Okay guys, sorry, actually I merged two videos because there was no space in my mobile. Okay, so yes guys, there's a divine timing playing its role. Okay, if something happened, and I think you need to be very careful in the May. No fights, no issues, no arguments should be there. Okay, a lot of problems, fights and issues are going on into your love life. Okay, and I think you are less in, either you are in less communication, or you are in a no communication with a person. Okay, so that is creating a lot of chaos, Virgos. Okay, yes, you are thinking to move on from a situation. Okay, now you might be married with this person, you might be having children, or you might be just into a relationship. It can either be two scenarios, okay, into this situation. Now let's see the spiritual life purpose for you. Okay, what is the life purpose for you? Okay, whatever questions you have to introspect yourself, take out time, me time for yourself, and the answers you are seeking, you will get it. Okay, so yeah, some of you might become a good teacher, or you might be in the field of teaching or inspiring people or being a mentor of someone. Okay, so yeah, that those fields will be really good for you for teaching. Okay, because you are always good with teaching, Virgos. Okay, so yeah, you might be a good bookworm. That means that you connect to your life purpose through your involvement with the books. If you want a clarity related to certain things in life, and you can become a very you are a very good book reader. Okay, like you are very much fascinated with the books. Okay, or you like reading a lot of books. Okay, so yeah, because that really gives you a lot of clarity as well. Okay, some of you Virgos might involve in a entertainment field. Some of you might be an artist, a painter, a painter, a musician, a singer, and an actor. Okay, if you have whatever activities or whatever artistic activities you want into your career, you can go ahead with that field. Okay, so it means engaging in artistic activities is beneficial to your career and every other area of your life. So some of you, even if you are into business and if you want to explore yourself, get involved in some artistic things of your life. Okay, yes, freedom, you are free to do whatever you choose, whatever you path you are seeking, whatever career you want to explore, whatever field you want to go ahead with, you have all freedom. Okay, you can choose it. Even if someone doesn't like it, let it be, but choose freedom, whatever you want to go for it. Okay, choose freedom, whatever you want to choose, go ahead with that. Trust your feelings and dreams to guide your career path. Whatever dreams you are having, whatever feelings you are having, to if you are liking a career path, and if someone is saying no to you, don't listen to them. Trust your intuition level and choose that career path. Okay, some of you might go for PhD, studying higher, going for higher studies. Okay, so if you can become a philanthropist, and you can become a researcher, you can become a teacher, you can become a lecturer. Okay, so you can also go for higher studies in higher field, educational fields, educational courses. Okay, if you are doing so, if you are thinking to do so, you can go ahead with the same. Okay, so yes, let me do a little bit like this. Okay, so yeah, let's involve in you in love reading. Some of you, if you are a couple, some of you need a vacation, go on a honeymoon. Okay, disconnect from the world, you need your own time and space. If you are single, go on a solo trip. Okay, that is not what my suggestion is. Okay, and you might meet someone there in a vacation. Okay, so yeah, the second is, if you are dealing with someone, you feel a bond related to a past life connection, like that person, you have known that person before, okay. That is a past life connection or a twin flame connection, okay. If you are dealing with certain people and you have that bond and that feeling that you know this person from before, okay. The third one, worth waiting for, okay. So guys, some of you might be dealing with a twin flame connection as well, okay. And there's a divine timing playing its role. If you are into separation and you feel that I'm not in contact with person, then I think there's a divine timing of reconciliation. Before that divine timing, you are not going to reconcile with your partners, okay. If you are physically or emotionally separated with your partners, okay. Even if you are married and separated, even if you are in a relationship and separated, if you are dealing with a twin flame connection, then reconciliation will happen, okay. But at a timing which has been declared by the universe, not with your timing, okay. Unrequested love, there is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going, okay. Some of you might meet a new people, okay, and might get attracted towards it, or some of you might rekindle your relationship with existing romantic passion and physical intimacy, okay. So yeah, because you have lost that physical intimacy, attraction or chemistry into your relationship, so you need to rekindle it, okay, if you want this relationship to work out into your own favor, okay. The next is love yourself first. Your self-respect is utmost important, and love yourself first. And even if someone else is not valuing it, let it be. Love yourself. Self-love and self-care is utmost important, okay. Free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life, okay. So you need freedom, guys, okay. Virgos, whatever you want in your life, go ahead with the freedom thing, okay, because freedom is utmost important. And if you love yourself, if you care about yourself first, then things will be all right in your favor, okay. So choose freedom, even if there's a partnership or love relationship is there. Choose freedom in any case, okay. That is what I'm going to suggest you or advise you, guys. If you like this reading, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care.